Well, hello YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video. I was gonna do it from the beginning of the package, but figured it's actually easier this way, having already done it, and I'll just quickly explain it. You ever have those days where you need something quick to eat, and maybe you don't want canned food, maybe you want to cook something, but you have nothing to frost it, and you have nothing simple. So what you can do is when you separate your meats, you can separate them into little baggies like this. It's a single portion. I estimate it to be about 5 or 6 ounces. I don't have a weight scale. Again, these videos are for people who want cooking life to be simplistic. You're not a professional, no machines, and we're just like rough estimating. These are the people I'm making the videos for. Anyhow, we want our simple eats, right? And I don't want to have to eat fast food. I still want to be able to control. And what do I do? What do I do, right? So I've separated this meat. I just got this meat today. This is ground pork. Let's see if I can show you guys. It's ground pork. It was a 3 kilogram package. I don't know if you can see that. Where is it? It's too small to see, realistically. Anyways, just trust me, it's a 3 kilogram package. I have separated it. I have some off to the side outside of the camera view that's marinating. And then I just put some for the larger dinner portions in a bag. These are large. These are the large Ziploc freezer bags. Okay. I literally just put my fingers through the meat, and based on that proportioning, I calculate how much that is. If your math sucks, get a calculator. All the phones these days have a calculator, so you don't really have an excuse. So I'm just going to zip these up. I try and squeeze as much air as I can out of it. Like so. I got no special vacuum seal equipment and all that stuff. That's it. I just take this and I put them in the bags. The reason I use the bags is because if I have a marinade, I can simply put the marinade in here and I can lay it down and the marinade will go across all the meat. If you use a bowl or a dish, you need to make sure the marinade is to the depth that's above the meat, and that's not always easy to do. So I use a bag, and it basically guarantees that all my meat gets marinated. Now for the individual portions. How do I know what's 5 or 6 ounces? Now they say 3 ounces is supposedly a deck of cards. 4 ounces, about the palm of your hand. My hands aren't that big. These were about the size of my palm, but they were about 1 inch thick. Okay, so that's what I do. Now, I put them in here. I want to do this for you live so that you can see what I'm doing. Now I just zip it up, compress the air. Now the purpose of these, like I said, was for individual portions for those quick meals. Now when you have to defrost something, the thicker it is, the longer it will take to defrost. So I take this and I basically smush it. It's going to be like a patty, like a thin patty. Fill up your sandwich bag and that's it. And that's it. You see that? It's about, look, it's about the thickness of my finger. That's it. This stuff, you take it out when you need that quick defrost. you put it in some warm water. It should be good to go in 10 or 15 minutes. Obviously, you gotta test it. Don't be an idiot. But you'll know when it's ready. It won't be frozen. It won't be frozen. So I'm just gonna do the same with the other bags here. These were rough estimates. Look at this. These are clearly not the same size. But, you know, you get close enough. All I care about is that I have my individual portions. I believe I only have so much memory in this phone. So I might have to pause this for a bit. We'll see. I'll smush the rest of these, get right back to you. Actually, I only have one more, but I gotta save time. Alright, I'm back. Now, I don't quite trust the seal of these sandwich, these are Ziploc sandwich bags. So, I'm putting these in another bag. Now, this might sound excessive. The cost of bags might seem retarded. But if you figure the amount of time it takes you to go out, or the gas that you need to go and drive, to me it's worth it. And I know what I'm putting in my food. So, and that's it. I got 4 servings, individual, ready to go. All right. So, one thing I always do is I label my things, the date and the approximate weight or portion size. This just gives me an idea so I know how to prepare whatever is going alongside with the dish for cooking. So, yeah, that's it. So yeah, the main premise of this video was individual portion sizes. For those people who don't want to eat out, don't want canned food, don't want instant products and stuff, and you want to be able to cook your stuff, but quick. This one, you know, excellent stuff would be quick stir fry, or put it with your instant noodle broth, and you just cook it, random veggies. Boom! Thanks for watching!